In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 2x2 picture in Canva. Perfect for passport photos, ID pictures, and other official documents. This method is simple and quick, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and search for Remove. BG. Click on the first link to open the website. Upload your picture and let the tool automatically remove the background. Once done, click Download to save the image to your device. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. Select Custom Size. Change the unit to inches. Set the width and height to 2 inches. Click Create New Design. Click Uploads and upload your image, the one with the background removed. Drag and adjust the image within the 2x2 frame. Make sure your face is centered properly. Click on Share Download. Click Download and save it to your device. That's it. You've successfully created a 2x2 picture using Canva. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.